What's going on, folks? Hamilton here at the Trading Initiative, and I'm going to tell you why you need to own Uber right now if you want to make a bunch of money. And I'm being serious here. We started buying Uber at $75. It's currently sitting at $84.50. There's an opportunity for you to own it on any weakness. Give me 5 minutes, and by the end of this video, you're going to want to own this. But first things first, here's our current trade. We just were able to close the first part of this Uber at 100%. We closed half of it, therefore taking the full risk out of the trade. We have the other half still on, meaning this is a risk-free trade. We're going to ride this trend higher with absolutely no risk. We love doing this inside of TTI. This is exactly what we want. This allows us to stick with trends a lot longer than most folks, because if the trend all of a sudden decides not to trend higher anymore, we don't actually lose anything. We've already taken out half of the original position at 100%. We've covered our original risk. So this is giving us potentially a lottery, right? A free lottery slip for higher highs, bigger wins, etc. So just for the rest of this trade, understand that we're in it and it's already de-risked. So we're not risking anything here. And with that, let's continue with the actual trade. What makes Uber so appealing to us is the simple concept of bigger the base, higher in space. I went through this in the newsletter earlier today. If you're not signed up, it's in the description. It's absolutely free. Sign up. I send out one per day chart that we're looking at. This was today's chart. I'm going to show you what the newsletter actually said in a second. But right now, let's talk through the chart here. Higher, or bigger the base, higher in space it goes. 15-month base. Basic technical analysis. If you know Richard Wyckoff and his Wyckoff market model, or Stan Weinstein in the stage cycle, it tells you that these big long horizontal bases are either accumulation or distribution. Being at the top of a very strong trend in 2023 and then basing from 2024 into 2025, you have to ask yourself, is this accumulation within an ongoing uptrend, or is this potential distribution with a breakdown incoming? Given the fact that the market is bouncing as hard as it is and Uber is breaking out into all-time highs, I think it's fair to assume it's accumulation breaking out into the next leg up, the next markup phase, right? We want to catch that at the breakout spot being somewhere around $80. It's currently trading $84.50, so there's an opportunity for you to join along. Once again, we got in at 75, a little bit of a head start, but by no means are you late if you're watching this video on Friday, May 2nd. Let me go ahead and lay out kind of the technicals that I love. First things first, we're trading above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Automatically means that we have a better chance of catching a strong uptrend from a primary trend standpoint. We're not buying below a 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average isn't sloped down. Long-term price action still prefers bullish action, right? Bulls are still in control of Uber. Second, bullish momentum regime. RSI is not only above the 50 and never even tapped oversold territory during the market sell-off. The market bottomed on April 7th. Uber never got into oversold territory. So yes, it's been able to hold on to its bullish momentum. If you're inside of TTI, you know exactly what that means. Bulls have been in control. Even when Uber was selling off, bulls were in control, willing to step up and buy the dip, and they did buy the dip. They bought it like crazy, as a matter of fact. Then lastly, we have relative strength against the broader market. If you look at going back to when Uber IPO'd back in 2019 or 2020, not 2019, 2020 here, Uber IPO'd 2019 Uber IPO'd. And since then, we've kind of pressed up into this overhead level here against the S&P 500. Well, what we're seeing here is not only relative strength within the RSI and absolute strength into an all-time high, but we're potentially breaking out against the broader market. There's a very basic mantra I want you to understand. If you want to beat the market, you have to own the things that are beating the market. What does that mean? You want to own things that are outperforming the benchmark, the S&P 500. This ratio breaking up and over this proprietary gray box, which just goes to show you all-time highs, would be incredibly bullish for Uber, because not only would it now be breaking out on an absolute basis into all-time highs, it would also be outperforming the S&P 500. And that's exactly what we look for when we're looking for market leaders. Now, what you're seeing here is the actual trade idea that went out on the 17th of April. You can see the chart as it was drawn up there. We were buying it around the 75 area. You can see the relative strength was just breaking out. We really liked the trade, and therefore we opened it. This was the actual trade as it went out with all the sector information, the stock info, risk levels. We wanted to be long as Uber was trading above 71.25 with a stop at 68, price targets at 82 and 94.5. And guess what? We're up and over the first PT, which is why we're taking half off here. There's the play, the September 19th, 2025 $90 calls for no more than $350. They're now trading for over $7. And then the general commentary here. I send this stuff out damn near on a daily basis. All of the trades that go out have this same type of format. You have all of the pertinent information to play, both from a share standpoint and an option standpoint, how I want to actually manage this, etc. It goes out to you via either email through our application on your smartphone or this particular web app that we have hosted on Circle. It's absolutely fantastic. You're never going to miss a trade if you're inside of TTI because everything is right there for you. And here's the newsletter as it went out pre-market this morning. Why we liked Uber, trying to convince people Uber is great looking, breaking out and sticking an all-time high close on the monthly in April is not an accidental thing. It's structural. Talked through why. It's not a one-day pop. This isn't a sympathy bounce. It's a monthly chart breakout. If you're a technical trader, monthly chart breakouts should be relevant to what you're trying to do here, particularly if you're a swing trader or a position trader, and talking through the entire process. So if you want this type of stuff pre-market, I encourage you to click on the newsletter in the description below. It's completely free. Lastly here, I just want to point out that we are adding into the trade. I did add in today. I averaged up. I think this is a breakout that's going to stick for a very long time. I don't think it's going to roll over here. I don't think this is something that is going to fall back within the range and then continue to range. It might pull back based off of profit seekers coming in, and that'll give us a better opportunity to average in more. And for those of you watching this a little later than May 2nd, you could probably grab this with us. I do expect a potential pullback towards $80 or something like that, but I do think this is the beginning of a bigger trend higher, and I have price targets above $95. 95 is just that September kind of area that we're looking at. We might get there a lot sooner, which is great for us. That means more money on those options trades, but we're looking for a bigger move in Uber. Don't care about Waymo, don't care about Tesla. All I care about is price, and price right now is confirming higher highs. All right, that's what I got for you, short and sweet. Hope you like Uber. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of content. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and if you're interested in our services, please check out our premium service. It's linked in the description below. We send out stuff like this every single day to our clients. Okay? Enjoy your weekend, folks, and I'll see you next week.